They moved the tribute store, we think. But this used to be the lounge. I think this might be. Wow! It's a mask, if you want some mask. Oh, I do like this one. This one's pretty cool. I like it. Then like, they have like a big old bandstand. Pretty cool. Over here they have some of the more of the merch. If you look up top, they have the different concert lines, different like countries and all that kind of stuff too. That's really cool. And this year's cup, is it glass? Yeah, it's glass. It's pretty cool. Be a king. Over here they have a piano, a fan, some instruments. And this year is what looks to be a phoenix? The parrot of Mardi Gras. Oh, it is a parrot. It almost looks like a phoenix. Amber, if they took away our lounge, what's going to happen?
What's over there then?
I don't know. We'll find out when we walk over there.
Kind of cool.
She found some headbands. That's cool. How do you wear it? You put the feathers in the back? Then all you need is a boa. And in here, kind of the same as last time. Oh, look at that shirt. That shirt looks cool. So again, we look up. I don't see anything exciting up, but you do see a tree, and you have a statue. I think this might be a graveyard. Again. Or it might be the bayou, yeah. Amber has her flash on. Oh, that's cool. Look, they have a horse. It's really cool. You know, they do a hell of a job, guys, when they do these tribute stores. I really do like them.
They have the ducks.
I know.
Oh, look here.
Yeah. And we're seeing her posters and stuff. They have a whole bunch of little hats and bandanas. Oh, I think this might just be like an alleyway. The voodoo dolls. And up top they have like I don't know what they are. They look like robbers in a way. Paper mache. They just, I don't know. I don't know what this is. Look up top. That's cool. Oh, it's a street. Ah, it's an alleyway.
It tells you where. I don't know if you can see it.
Kind of. Oh, I see now. That's cool. That's cool. I don't remember seeing this in New Orleans when we were there. Do you? Alright, now we're going to the service entrance. I see what's happening now. So they have the grinning devil as a wax. Shaw. Look at these wines. And then piano. Wow, this is really cool. They even have a bar over there. I kind of like it. Kind of like this. Do you like it? Do you like this? It's kind of 1930s, 1940s feel. It's pretty cool. So here's a shirt this year. Pass holder. And then right here on the sleeve. Right there on the sleeve. UOAP.
Looking up there. No. Here.
That's cool. Come back over here.
Truffles and English coffee.
Dude, I totally thought that was a real person.
Oh, these are what the pictures are.
Yeah. They have the tribute spirits. So you can get your name, your face on a couple bottles. So they have the candies and the snacks and stuff. They have macaroons. They have marshmallow pop. They have a whoopie pie.
Oh,
You're good.
Okay. It's okay.
They have fudge. They have a brownie. More macaroon.
Yeah. Do you want king cake or?
Any of the cake and stuff?
Actually, only one.
Alright, so we got some snacks. Amber got a banana and macaroon. And I got a s'more. So we'll see if it tastes good as it looks. So the s'more, in my opinion, was a miss. I know you're not a big fan of marshmallow, but macaroon's gone.